Hello friends, welcome to Research Needs. So while you do animal experimentation, how to design Excel sheet from raw data, we will see in this video. So here you can see I have prepared Excel sheet for wound healing project. So here I have recorded wound area by minima and maxima headings, and that I have recorded from wound from this image. So I have taken this image that time. Note that readings in notebook. So here you can see I have taken here minima, so it is around 2.5, and next you can see this on same animals by different angle I have taken maxima. So that reading we have taken for wound area contraction data. So this is how I have got this minima and maxima reading for number one animal. So for that we have taken average, and lastly we have calculated area by this minima and maxima, and later we have converted those things because it was for 0 day reading, so we have calculated as a 100%. So now as that the animals very next day we have again taken that minima and maxima, and the reading is data. You can see the percentage is increasing because due to the inflammation and the wound area was raised. So this is how we have got the area, and we have taken for 6 animals readings. So now area is 509, and very next day it is around 800. So this is the area, so that we have entered, and now we have taken this data. All days mean we have collected for group wise. Here you can see. So for that day we have taken that data here. So one by one we have entered this data from that place here. So it is directly linked to that data. So that mean already we have taken, and here you can see group 8 data we have taken here. So 521 it is here. Likewise we have also calculated the percentage wise data. So later we have arranged here a downside. You can see the percentage wise data we have collected, which is given besides this data area. So that we have recorded here. So likewise, and then we have prepared this data for prism file. So we will after preparing this data, we have written all mean at one place, and likewise same we have done for SEM, because we needed SEM in this experiment. So we have taken standard error mean. So above all mean and SEM, how to collect at once, we will use for that multiple selection tool, and for that I have prepared another video that I will put into the mid video flashcard or inside the end screen link, so you can go and see that. Write this data here at once, so it will be very easy and short full method to write this data from above to here by linking it directly. Otherwise, while you change the data, suppose you have changed this data and some mistake is there, it will not change automatically. So by linking by multiple selection method, you can easily link this data to this data, means this table. So here I have prepared this, from this table I have prepared this, and this table, and this table is prepared by you can see the formula I have taken one by one. But now we can change this method also. So I will show you how. Suppose I have collected this percentage wise data, and we have collected here, we have written for prism file this way. While we are putting this data, this table copy and put this data in prism, it will directly prepare the graph. So likewise, for prism requirement, we have written this way data. I will show you later in this video only. So now how we can copy this data from here to here, we will apply this formula, transpose, and we will select this C 165, this is C column, and colon up to M 165. So likewise, while we'll copy and put here, it will transpose all data here up to 100 to 37, it will transpose here. So likewise you can put this SEM here. So this is the short technique by which you can easily put the data in your table, and you can now you can copy this data and paste whole data inside your graphic prism. So I will show how we have prepared this data, and we will how we have put this data in graphic prism and got the graph. So suppose we have to put this data into graph, so we will copy this. So this way we will copy whole data at once, and control C, we will go in graphic prism. So we will start graphic prism now. So here we will select the group and will select this enter, and here we will select SCM and create. So now I will paste my data here this way. So it is set column wise as per requirement, mean, SCM, and number of animals. So now we can put here group's name DC, standard, and treatment. I will write it T1, T2. Okay. So here you can see the group name is given. Now here I can put day wise D1, D2, D3, D4. The days may change because I'm only showing for sake of knowledge. So now we will see the graph, how it is preparing the graph. We will see. We will click the graph. So here you have to select the graphs, mean plus SCM. So this is your graph is ready, and give the color, then it will be ready. Graph. So now while you will give the color one by one, So now you have to drag it, so it will show you proper view for your graph. So this is how you can put your data and prepare wound area contraction. So here you can see around day one and 0 is considered a 1, and here the data size, wound area size was fixed. So now it has, just because of inflammation, it is raised, and now it is decreasing day by day. So this is how you can prepare a data and graph for wound area contractions. So how is the video? Please do comment. Thank you for watching Research Needs. Thank you very much.